as long as these people stay with you. The cool thing about this business is once you get one customer, they put in their information, they put in their email address, they put in their domain name. The 1-800 support guys, like the actual team, um, calls them and says, "Hey, do you guys want to add an email plan?" And that's an extra $5 per month. Do you guys want to maybe add like an extra domain? Do you want me to set up a marketing thing? Do you guys need business cards? Do you guys want to maybe open up a shop on the side? And so these guys call them and encourage them to get more things to grow their business. So all of a sudden, you could be making an extra, like $800 just from the same customers that you already have, but they add more stuff to their storefront. So this is actually really easy, and I'm just saying that's 1 month. But if you keep growing this, like let's say you do 20 customers per month, and you're pushing that 25 per month, you're pushing it. You got 20, you got 500 coming in. So 1 month, you got 25 customers. You're gonna have $500 coming in every single month after that without doing anything. So the next month you're like, you know what? I'm just gonna relax, smoke a cigarette, take it easy, read a book. Boom, $500 comes in from the previous month because the effort that you created in the first month keeps repeating every month. But if you keep adding to it, so you can very easily, like I said, 25 per month equals times, let's say, 40 customers per month. You got to, sorry, that was, well, you know what? Let's just say 25 customers, just to give you a realistic thing. 25 times 25 equals $625 per month, and that's going to keep coming in. So your first month's effort will keep coming in every single month, passive income. But let's say every month you decide to do that, so you times that by 12, and after a whole year, you're like, that's it, man. I'm taking it easy. I'm going to freaking Jamaica, and I'm going to be smoking a cigarette, drinking a coffee. I'm going to read a book, and I'm going to the movies, and I'm going to buy myself a car. Guess what? You're chilling out. You go on this trip, you come back a year later, and every single month you get $7,500 coming in because of your first year's effort. You know what I'm saying? So that's how it works. It's pretty cool. It's not like a network marketing thing where you got to get a guy to buy a vitamin, then the guy gets the vitamin for free, and then you get another guy, and then you get another guy. Those guys start buying vitamins, but if those guys don't end up buying vitamins, then like your thing falls apart, and then all of a sudden you're left with all these vitamins. You got nothing. So that's what I'm saying. That's network marketing. I'm not saying it's terrible. Like some people like put some serious effort into it, and they can build it to like they can make a lot of money. But this is based on your own efforts, or you can hire someone to do the calls for you, or you can market it by yourself. Now the way I advertise it is I advertise this thing on my own. Like the way I do it is I pick up the phone, I call people every single day. I got a line where I can call North America, USA, Canada, unlimited, local, long distance. So I basically call every single city. Every day I try to make at least 25 phone calls a day. And out of those, like, if I get 5 sales, I get a little bit of information from them. And they said, yeah, I want a website. I'm like, okay, so what domain do you want? Okay, and then I put in their information. So this is how you take an order. So let's say I ended up getting a sale somewhere from Arizona a few days ago. Called the company. They were a hairdressing thing, and they did decide to go with the $20 a month plan with me. And basically, what I did is I called them. Okay, yeah. So what I'll do right now. Let's say they wanted to order from me. I said, okay, guys. Well, thank you very much. That sounds good. I'm gonna take your order right now because once you got a hot customer, you want to click this thing and get them in. So they decided to go with the deluxe plan. So this is what I'm doing on my end when I'm talking to them. All right, we're going to register you for the deluxe plan. Okay. Now, would you like to have it per month, or do you want to pay once a year? And they say, no, I want to have it per month. So I said, all right, it's going to be $24.98 with taxes every single month. Okay. And we're going to create the website for you. Okay, so first I need to register you. Okay, so then they go, okay. And then, okay, so you're at new customer. So you click on that. And then you say, okay, what's your name? Oh, my name's Ivana. So you say Ivana. Okay, Ivana. Okay. Ivana. Okay, and your last name? Kalakusha. Kalakusha. Uh-huh. And you live in America. Okay. And your address? 44 Rover Drive. Okay, excellent. Now your zip code, ZZZ. Great. And what city you're in? Arizona. Okay. State. Let me see here, please. Okay, I'm looking for state. Yeah. All right, California. Let's just say whatever. Okay, and then well, Arizona. I'm just joking. Like city's called Jiggy. Okay, in California. Okay, and your phone number 905-242-19955. Now, important. Your email address at .com. Your username, Ivana. Okay, we're gonna make it LABII. Okay, now I need you to set a password. Okay, the password's gonna be Hakapulka. Okay, you remember that? Make sure you write that down because that's gonna be your password when we send it in for you. Now, what's your four-digit PIN? Oh, it's 4543. That's when you call in. Okay, great, excellent. Okay, and if I could have your credit card number, your security number, name on card, All right, now do you want to pay with your checking account, PayPal? Okay, you're gonna pay with your MasterCard? Not a problem. Okay, MasterCard. Put all that in. Continue. You click that and it goes. Thank you for ordering from Web Design Oshawa. She gets an email. Thank you. Here's your password. Here's your username. You're all set. Then you have that. You log in and you create the website for her quickly. And then that's it. You're done. You're done. $25 a month keeps coming in. So that's basically how it works, guys. So it's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. You basically get all that, and you're all set to go. Okay, so if you want to order, this is what you need to do. You got to go to Star Web Solutions. Okay, there's the introductory video of me talking about everything. You got to click the Buy It Now button, and then you select the one you want. Okay, and then proceed to checkout. And then you basically do everything. You put in your information in here. Once you're done with that, you push continue. I get an email. You get an email with all your information about your new store, your website store, and then I help you set up the 1-800 number, and you're all ready to go. You're all ready to go. That's how it works, basically. All right, guys. So once again, it's Star Web Solutions. To make the order, all you have to do is just go to the website. You can pause the video, and you can either call the 1-866-665-6689 number and tell them that you're calling on behalf of Star Web Solutions, and they're going to place the order for you. Or you could just click Buy It Now. Select the one you want to go with. If you wanted the Pro Reseller, you basically select the Pro Reseller, and you just add it to cart, and there you go, and proceed to checkout. Follow the step-by-step thing, and you're all set to go. But yeah, that's basically how it works, and that's how easy it is to make money. But it all comes from you, and it has to be commitment. You have to make sure you make the phone calls, or you can advertise on free advertisements. Like, let's say you don't have any marketing money to grow this business. You would basically market it just by simple things like advertising on Craigslist or advertising on Kijiji. You'll get hot leads that way. People will call you, but you're going to look professional. If you have a little bit of money to put into like newspaper ads, you could do that as well. But the best method of doing it is just picking up the phone and calling people. Hello, I'm calling from Web Design Oshawa. We're offering a free promotion for $25 a month. You can have a free website. We'll design it for you. Just basically tell me what business you are. Blah, 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 blah. Give me a little bit of information. Use the templates to create their website. They're on with you for $25 a month. And then from there, you basically get that $25 commission every single month. And whatever effort you want to put into it, if you want to get 25 customers for the whole year, you're going to be making, let's say if you do that, through the whole year, you ended up getting 25 customers times $25. Every single month after that, you're going to be making $625. $625 because of the effort that you put in 2015, let's say. Okay? So, but if you want to go, amazingly, and let's say you get 25 customers per month for 12 months, that equals 300 customers times that by 25, you're looking at $7,500 per month, per month, per month, per month, per month, per month, because of all the effort that you put in every single month. You ended up getting 25 customers per month, and you're getting $7,500. So you can go on a vacation, come back home, and you're still going to be getting that money coming in to your bank account. And I'll show you exactly that. There's a tutorial of how to set up your bank account, like how they transfer the money into your bank account. You can either let them send it to PayPal, and then you can transfer that to your bank account, or there's an option where you can actually directly set up a thing where they deposit the money right into your bank account. So every time you make a sale, what happens is these guys, like the reseller program, pays you every 22nd day of each month. So you're going to get paid once a month for all the sales that you make, and it just comes in on the 22nd day of each month. It just comes in like the way you check it is like, for instance, I got a PayPal account, and I transfer all my reseller commissions into the PayPal account. It just goes straight into the PayPal account. And like I got all different transactions that go on here, but yeah, see, like GoDaddy.com LLC paid me $354 on November the 20th, and then GoDaddy LLC paid me $712.45 on October the 24th in US dollars. When I transferred that to my account, it ended up being $779.54